Welcome to the English Lovers by Honeydee. Now we are going to talk about a very important topic related to the degrees of comparison, and that is how to change from the positive to the comparative and vice versa. We're going to talk about three important things, three important points, so that you will never do the mistake in changing from the positive degree to the comparative, or from comparative to the positive degree in any way. Okay, so let's move further. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change from positive degree to comparative and vice versa. So three important things that we're gonna focus on in this video are, first thing, like we're gonna discuss each of the point at length. Now the first thing is the person or the thing compared and the subject of the original sentence are interchanged when we make a new sentence. Now what it means, like suppose a sentence is you know like if it is no, it is starting with, like let me just adjust it. No other. Okay, if it is starting with no other place, like it's a sentence, is so beautiful as Shimla or Manali, we can take example of such beautiful places. Okay, so if this is the sentence we are having at a place, what we meant by this particular rule here is, like if the person or the thing being compared and the subject of the original sentence, what is the subject of the original sentence? No other place is as beautiful as, like this. Okay, are interchanged. So this place, okay, and this Manali, okay, the two things here are as beautiful as Manali. As beautiful as what? Manali. So are interchange. That means when we're gonna write the answer, this word Manali is going to be the first word. That means when we're gonna change that into the into the comparative degree, what we're gonna do is we are going to keep Manali at the first place. That means interchange has taken place. Manali is more beautiful. I'm writing the answer here. I have just taken one word from the above sentence. Manali is more uh, beautiful. Okay, we are writing into the comparative degree. More beautiful would be the exact word to use for the beautiful, because beautiful is containing put, full, at least three syllables. Okay, beautiful, four syllables. Okay, if it is containing more than two syllables, then definitely more and most is applicable for the comparative and the superlative. But here we are making it into the comparative form. Obviously we are talking about the two places, two things. One is a place and another is the Manali, and other any other place is being compared. Like two things, when we talk about two places, we talk about, okay, any two places. Okay, here we are, Manali is being compared to any other one place. Okay, no other place is so beautiful as Manali. So definitely comparative is possible, superlative is not possible here. Okay, and that's why the answer would be Manali is more beautiful than any other place. Okay, these changes we'll talk about later on, but here what you need to understand is what was the first here in the first statement, like in the positive degree. So beautiful as, in that case, the place came in the beginning of the sentence. But when we make the comparative of the same, Manali, which was the object of the original sentence, got got interchanged. That means the person or the thing compared and the subject, here the subject is this one, and the thing compared is Manali, and Manali got interchanged when we made a new sentence, like with the comparative degree. So Manali came in the beginning, and that is why is more beautiful than any other place. So that's the way. Okay, hope you understood that. Okay, if you want to take another example, very easy example, can be like Dara Singh is as strong as like Khali. Okay, Dara Singh is as strong as Khali. Somehow there is no comparison. Dara Singh is as strong as Khali. Okay, so when we want to change that into the comparative degree, we can say that Khali is not stronger than Dara Singh. Okay, Khali is not stronger than Dara Singh. What we are doing is we are interchanging. Like if we are saying, let me write it, Dara Singh is as strong as Khali. Okay, strength is same. Okay, as strong as Khali. Okay, and if we want to write it, then what we have to do, we have to bring it to the first place. Khali is not stronger than Dara Singh. Okay, that means can be equal but cannot be more than that. Okay, but this is the thing that you need to remember at the first go, what we do as a change. Okay, it is the thing only when like when we are talking about the interchange of the places. We are not yet talking about the how the things gonna be changed. Okay, the next point that you need to keep in mind. Okay, let's talk about that. That is, if you are going to see like there is no other, few, nobody, or some, if it is given in the beginning, like if these phrases are there being used, okay, and those would be changed into any other, anybody else, not plus some other. Not plus some other, I'll let you know by the use of the sentence, but it's very clear here. If the statement starts with no other, okay, like any statement, if we take no other man um, is as good as him. Okay, no other man is as good as him. Okay, so if such is a thing, like what they are saying is, first of all, this thing is to be taken to the first place. He will change into sorry, him will change into he. He is, okay, no other man is as good as him. He is better. Okay, in this case, because it is the negative statement, it will turn into positive. No, he is better than mm, any other. No other will change into any other. No other is changed into any other man. Okay, if we are saying all other, what we have to do is all other men we have to write. Okay, any other man or all other, if we are using, we what we have to do is all other men, plural we have to use for that. Okay, so this is the second thing that you need to carry with you when you're changing from positive to comparative or comparative to the positive. Okay, now the third and the most important thing is, if the original sentence does not contain any of these phrases, what you're gonna do? Okay, then the negative sentence is changed into the affirmative, and affirmative is changed into the negative. Okay, like here the sentence is carrying for example, if I say mm, birds do not fly as fast as an aeroplane. Okay, so we are saying it's a general way. Okay, birds do not fly as fast as an aeroplane. So how it is going to be changed? An aeroplane will take it to the first place. Okay, if the question is in the negative, answer would be in the positive. That means like here there is no usage of no other, few, nobody, or something like that. Simply it is being compared, the birds have been compared to aeroplane. So an aeroplane, then like we can say flies, because do not signifies it is in the present definite. Okay, negative sentence, so it will be turned into affirmative sentence. And affirmative is written with the the first one verb and ies. Here it is turned into, because an aeroplane we talk about s or es, we have to apply here y was there, that is why y is changed into ies. An aeroplane flies faster than birds. Okay, you can understand that. Then full stop. Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell you through this video. We are going to bring more videos to talk about the change of the positive into the superlative and vice versa, and we're going to talk about comparative into superlative, and both the cases like superlative into the comparative, both way we're going to talk about them. Okay, here like one statement I just want to make by the use of some, because I mentioned that like mm, not some other or something was there. Okay, in the previous slide, let's go to the previous slide first. Okay, here not plus, you know, it was there not plus some other. Okay, then that's why what we're gonna do is uh, we are going to write a statement here. Some leaders, okay, leaders are as honest as Mr. Gandhi. Okay, some leaders are as honest as Mr. Gandhi. Okay, then Mr. Gandhi is not, here not is used, more honest. Okay, we can't say honester, honestest. Okay, more honest than, here some other, we're gonna use the same word here if some is used, some other leaders. Okay, so that's it. So this was the thing that I wanted to tell you through this video, that what are the three things that you need to keep with you while changing from positive to the comparative, and comparative to the wait, superlative. Okay, or sorry, not comparative to the positive. That's it. And hope so that video had been helpful. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates about the new videos. And then goodbye until next time. Bye bye, take care.